Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this card hover effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then create an HTML file. Let's include Font Awesome into our project. Copy the code for link tag from cdnjs.com. Use another link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Inside it, create another div with class as card. Inside it, create another div with class as face1. Use Font Awesome to insert the icon. Create a div element with class as title. Type the title of the card here. Create a sibling div to the face1 div with class as face2. Inside it, create another div with class as content. Type the content of the card here. Inside it, create another div with class as button. Put the button text here. Our HTML is ready. Let's write the CSS. For the body, set display to flex. Set height to 100 VH. Set align items to center. Set justify content to center. Set background color to dark gray color. Set font size to 1 rem. For the container class, set display to flex. Set width to 100 view width. Set justify content to space evenly. For the card class, set font family to console as. Set cursor to pointer. For the face1 and face2 class, set width to 300 pixels. Set height to 200 pixels. Set transition to 0.5 seconds. For the face1 class, set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set flex direction to column. Set background color to dark gray color. Set color to slightly dark shade of gray color. Set transform to translate Y with a value of 50%. Set position to relative. Set Z index to 10. For the face1 class's I element, set font size to 8em. For the face1 class's title class, set margin top to 10 pixels. Set font size to 1.5em. For the face2 class, set background color to white. Set position to relative. Set transform to translate Y with a value of -50%. Set Z index to 2. For face2 class's content class, set width to 90%. Set margin left to 5%. Set position to absolute. Set top to 10%. For face2 class's content class's button class, set width to 40%. Set padding to 2%. Set position to absolute. Set text align to center. Set margin top to 12.5%. Set border to 1 pixel width, solid, and color to black. Set transition to 0.5 seconds. On button class's hover, set background color to black. Set color to white. On card hover, set face1 class's background color to warm pink. Set color to white. Set transform to translate Y with a value of 0. On card hover, set face 2 classes transform to translate y with a value of 0. So here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more such tutorials. I will meet you next time. Till then, good luck, and peace.